class Physics Unit 5. Question 1. What is the unit of force? Answer Joule. Question 2. What is the force that opposite motion? Answer fraction. Question 3. What is the force that causes an object to change its motion? Answer net force. Question 4. What is the force that acts on an object at rest? Answer normal force. Question 5. What is the force that acts on an object in motion? Answer gravity. Question 6. What is the force that causes an object to roll? Answer fraction. Question 7. What is the force that causes an object to turn? Answer normal force. Question 8. What is the force that causes an object to stop? Answer fraction. Gravity. Normal force. Question 9. What is the force that causes an object to change its direction? Answer gravity. Question 10. What is the force that causes an object to accelerate? Answer fraction. Question 11. What is the force that causes an object to decelerate? Answer normal force. Question 12. What is the force that causes an object to remain at rest? Answer gravity. Question 13. What is the force that causes an object to remain in motion? Answer no force. Question 14. What is the force that causes an object to change its shape? Answer fraction. Question 15. What is the force that causes an object to stretch? Answer normal force. Question 16. What is the force that causes an object to compress? Answer gravity. Question 17. What is the force that causes an object to bend? Answer fraction. Question 18. What is the force that causes an object to twist? Answer torque. Question 19. What is the force that causes an object to vibrate? Answer normal force. Question 20. What is the force that causes an object to oscillate? Answer gravity. Question 21. What is the force that causes an object to rotate? Answer fraction. Question 22. What is the force that causes an object to revolve? Answer normal force. Question 23. What is the force that causes an object to move in a circle? Answer normal force. Question 24. What is the force that causes an object to move in a straight line? Answer gravity. Question 25. What is the force that causes an object to change its velocity? Answer fraction. Question 26. What is the force that causes an object to change its acceleration? Answer normal force. Question 27. The spring in brakes and clutches are used. Answer to restore original position. Question 28. Which of the following material is more elastic? Answer rubber. Question 29. What is the unit for the spring constant? Answer Nm Newton per meter. Question 30. If a spring stretches easily, then its spring constant has. Answer small volume.